Hello everyone and welcome back to TechLogics. Today, we have something exciting to share with all the tech enthusiasts and DIY security fans out there. We're unboxing and reviewing the latest outdoor security solution from EZVIZ, the EB8 4G pan and tilt battery camera. This device is designed to bring smart, reliable security protection right to your outdoor spaces without being tethered to wires or Wi-Fi. First, let's talk about what you get inside the box. When you open it up, you'll find the EB8 4G camera itself, which looks sleek and robust, built to withstand the elements. Alongside the camera, there's a quick start guide to help you set it up easily. You'll also see mounting accessories, so you can attach it securely to different surfaces, and a USB charging cable to keep the battery powered. This camera is truly wire-free, meaning it runs purely on a built-in rechargeable battery. Its design is perfect for environments where power outlets and Wi-Fi are limited or unreliable. With its independent operation, you can set it up in remote outdoor locations, parks, farms, or large outdoor yards, without worrying about running wires or network connectivity issues. One of the standout features of the EB8 4G is its 360-degree pan and tilt capability. It captures a comprehensive 2K resolution field of view, allowing you to monitor a broad area and see clear details in high quality. Whether you're watching over a driveway, backyard, or construction site, this camera helps you keep everything in sight and detail. Since it's designed for outdoor use, it's weatherproof against rain, snow, and other harsh conditions. It also supports a compatible solar panel, which can keep the battery charged using solar energy, making it an eco-friendly, sustainable choice. The large battery capacity means fewer worries about battery life, and with solar power, it can operate almost indefinitely with minimal maintenance. The camera not only detects motion but offers smart activity alerts. You can customize detection settings to be notified about all kinds of movement, including animals or people. It also features smart human motion detection with auto-tracking, so it can follow moving people within its view automatically, providing continuous monitoring without needing manual adjustments. Another useful feature is two-way audio. With the EZVIZ app, you can communicate directly through the camera, talk to people on the other side, or pre-record voice messages that automatically play when someone is detected, adding an extra layer of interaction and security. Recording is flexible and secure. You can store videos locally on a microSD card up to 512 GB for quick access, or subscribe to EZVIZ Cloud Play for encrypted, cloud-based storage. This ensures your footage is safe and accessible whenever you need it. Remember, the EB8 4G operates exclusively over a 4G LTE network, which means no Wi-Fi connection is required. This frees you from location restrictions, giving you the freedom to install the camera anywhere with cellular coverage. Overall, it's a powerful, portable outdoor security solution built for modern needs.